The basic question is posed by a non-Muslim that Dr. Zakir Naik said Islam is free, and we see that he's promoting his videos on the social media, on YouTube, and he's selling his videos, he's getting money. So if Islam is free, then how come he's getting money and he's earning more money? He's earning more by preaching Islam than what you are earning before. And I agree with the person 100%. I am earning more sawab, more blessings for the akhirah by preaching Islam than what I was doing earlier as a medical doctor. I agree with him. But as far as acquiring money is concerned, never in my life, alhamdulillah, I have charged for any of my books or my videos or any of my work or any of my services of Islam. All my lectures that I give are free. The books that our trust prints is given distributed free. There are other people who are printing my books and they are selling, and selling Islamic books is not haram. I give them permission. You can copy my book, you can print my book, you can sell them, you can give them free, you can make money. I've got no objection. Anyone prints my book and sells it, it's better than printing books which are haram. Printing Islamic book, inshallah you'll get sawab. But as far as I'm concerned, I never sell any of my books. If we distribute my books, it is absolutely given free. Same from DVDs. All my social media accounts are absolutely free. Even the Peace TV is free.